Struggling to find space for all your utensils, groceries, and tools? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing kitchen organizer furniture and smart tools that will completely transform your kitchen, making it cleaner, more spacious, and super functional. From space-saving cabinets to genius storage hacks you didn't even know existed, these products are incredibly useful. So make sure you watch till the end, because the last item might surprise you. And just like always, all products are linked in the description below. Let's get started. Tired of digging through messy kitchen cabinets? Meet your new best friend. This sleek, adjustable pull-out organizer fits perfectly in any cabinet, big or small. It's expandable, easy to install, and designed to keep everything organized and within reach. From spices to large bottles, it handles it all. Upgrade your kitchen storage today and enjoy a clutter-free life. Click the link to get yours now. Tired of a messy counter? It's time to reclaim your space with Xiao's 4-tier slim storage cart. Its ultra-thin design fits into those awkward gaps you never knew how to use, turning wasted corners into organized hubs. With 360-degree wheels and dual safety brakes, it glides effortlessly and stays exactly where you need it. Plus, the comfort grip handle makes moving it a breeze. Featuring dust-proof mesh baskets and a stylish wood grain top, it's perfect for snacks in the living room or essentials in the laundry. Get organized, stay mobile. KSSIAZ, everything neatly arranged. Need more space without sacrificing style? Meet the ultimate multifunctional folding dining set. It features a spacious tabletop and 2 side cabinets for all your storage needs. Half unfolded for a cozy reading nook or a productive home office desk. Fully folded, it becomes a slim entryway cabinet, saving you maximum floor space. With waterproof surfaces, rounded safety corners, and easy move wheels, it's quality you can feel. Tired of the water bottle avalanche every time you open your cabinet? Meet the Landneez stackable organizer. Its 4-inch compartments fit everything from slim bottles to those giant 40-ounce tumblers. Use it in the pantry, on the counter, or even the fridge. It's not just for water, it's a wine rack and a soda station too. It's super stable, crystal clear, and completely customizable to fit your space. Stop the clutter and grab yours today. Your cabinets will thank you. Looking for a way to declutter your kitchen? Meet the kitchen basket rack, your new best friend for organization. It features a sturdy display top, perfect for holding small appliances like your air fryer or toaster, to free up that precious counter space. These mesh drawers allow for maximum air circulation, keeping your fruits and veggies fresh and visible at a glance. With 4 360-degree rotating wheels, it's a breeze to move around. Plus, 2 wheels lock so it stays exactly where you need it. Pull-out baskets make grabbing snacks easy and secure. Level up your kitchen storage today. Tired of bulky furniture taking over your room? Meet the ultimate space-saving solution. From a slim side table to a full dining set in seconds. It's perfect for small apartments and cozy corners. The best part? It stores its own chairs and kitchen essentials right inside. Talk about smart design. Dining, working, or prepping, this table does it all. Upgrade your space today. Need more kitchen space but don't have the room? Meet the ultimate 3-in-1 kitchen island. It's got built-in power outlets for your gadgets and appliances. No more hunting for a wall plug while you prep. Storage? We've got it all. From a dedicated spice rack to a hidden tilt-out trash bin and adjustable shelving for your bulky mixers. When you're done prepping, it transforms into a cozy breakfast bar or workspace in seconds. Upgrade your kitchen with OnBrill. Style meets storage.
Let's kick things off with this ultra-convenient pull-out cabinet organizer. A must-have for small kitchens. These slide-out drawers instantly transform cluttered cabinets into highly functional storage. They're heavy-duty, slide smoothly thanks to quality tracks, and are perfect for spices, cans, bottles, or cleaning supplies. Whether under your sink or inside a pantry, installation is simple with adhesive strips or screws, so you can organize without drilling. If you want the things you use daily right at your fingertips, this is a game changer.
Is your kitchen counter disappearing under a mountain of dishes? Stop fighting for space. Meet the ultimate kitchen game changer. It's more than a rack, it's a literal cabinet over your sink. Look at that organization. Knives, boards, even your soap. Everything has a dedicated home right where you need it. It keeps your counters bone dry and your kitchen looking like a showroom. Make room for more. Click the link below to transform your kitchen today. Is your kitchen counter disappearing under a mountain of appliances? You need to see this. It has a built-in power outlet with a reversible design, so you can plug in your microwave and coffee maker anywhere. Check out this storage, extra shelf space for spices and a pegboard for all your favorite mugs and tools. It's not just for the kitchen. Use it as a plant stand or the ultimate home coffee bar. It's super sturdy with X-shaped stabilization. Upgrade your space with Ferology. Available with or without the outlet. Check the link in the description to grab yours.
Eggs roll out neatly with this auto-rolling fridge egg organizer. Load it up, and every time you take an egg from the front, the next one rolls forward. First in, first out. Practical, clever, and ideal for busy households where eggs are used daily. Kitchen cabinet chaos be gone. This pot and pan organizer holds cookware neatly and helps you find what you need without digging. Adjustable dividers mean you can store lids, frying pans, sauce pots, all upright so you can see everything quickly. If your cookware cabinet is a mess, this organizer is a must. Another magnetic fridge organizer. Ideal if you want extra shelving space in your fridge without drilling or complicated install. Use it to hold jars, bottles, snacks, or condiments. Magnetic racks are a brilliant way to expand fridge storage and keep items at eye level. Links in description. Save this video so you don't forget these. And if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more video like this.